Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you have been following me on Instagram, then you know that I have opted to tap in to the Christmas decor train. I am currently in Hobby Lobby and I am looking for a new Christmas tree. Not only am I looking for a tree for downstairs, which I am doing 2 trees. I'm sure if you, like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it. But I'm also looking for a Christmas tree for my master bedroom. Again, by now, some of you guys may have seen the tree. If you haven't, definitely head over to Instagram. That way you guys can see the decor and everything that's going on in real time. But let's go ahead and get some shopping in. I'm in Christmas decor heaven. I love the pics. Like, I like this. I even like these, you guys. Like, I really like these. They're really pretty.
Where are the hooks? I found hooks.
Great. Good job, sir. You gotta go to the accessories over there. Look at these.
Oh, okay. Those look nice.
So pretty.
Oh, and I found some blue ribbons.
Yeah, these are really pretty. Where the blue ribbon at? Is it a velvet blue ribbon?
I don't know about ribbons. So you got these ones. You got these ones.
Well, I already got the green velvet ones for downstairs.
There's like a blue version somewhere.
You guys, remember the green velvet? I couldn't find it, and I already got some of these for downstairs. So I'm excited. If I could find some blue velvet ribbon, that'd be amazing. Let me go back into the other aisle, get my picks. Ooh, these are pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Aren't these cute? Aren't these pretty?
How many of these do you need? Because they have like a whole bunch.
Of these?
Yeah. I'll grab it.
Just one more. Ooh, you guys, I got some of these yesterday too. And when I go home, I'll show you guys those things. I got some of these. So the Christmas trees are bought and paid for, and now I'm picking them up. I'm gonna go ahead and have my son and the salesperson load everything up in my trunk, and I'll see you guys back at my house. I am so excited. I gotta open it. It's not open, but that looks good. You guys, it looks really good, but I have to open it. But I was too excited to do it in the morning, so tomorrow I'll record what it looks like in the morning. But it looks really, really good, and I cannot wait to get the ornaments on it. I'm gonna show you guys the ornaments. Just remember the colors in the room: the browns, the blues, the creams, and the ivory. Just remember these colors here. When you see the balls, it's gonna make sense. It feels like it's pretty late, but it's really not. I'm gonna take these out and start kind of stacking them. That way you guys can see the colors, and then I can also fix it to figure out what I'm gonna be doing. Some of them are broken. I got better deals at one Hobby Lobby with the broken ones than another Hobby Lobby, so that was that. Pretty much the colors are very similar to what I had in the previous house, to be honest with you. Again, I designed to what I like. I'm not designing for like another client, I'm designing for myself. So you're you're gonna see very similar things. So these are the green ones, which are gonna go downstairs, and then these blue are gonna go in the master. I also picked another color for the master, which is this right here. It's like a brownish gold pewter color. You see that? That's gonna look really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. I wasn't able to find a whole lot at the first store, but today I ended up going into another store. And I have exciting news, you guys. I paid for the propane to go in, so the fireplace will be installed in a week. Well, not the fireplace, but the propane tank. So I'll be able to turn this sucker on. Couldn't do it at the last house, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and get that up and running here. So I'm really excited about that. There's going to be 4 ribbons for each tree. You see how that green is like already popping? It looks so good. So it's gonna go from inside and then work its way out just like I did last year. So now is the next morning. As always, before I start any big project, I like to get the house clean. You guys may not see it in this video, but the next video coming out, I will be cleaning and decorating the Christmas trees and putting them up. So I wanted to go ahead and get my kitchen together. So I'm cleaning the kitchen, washing the dishes, and I'm gonna clean the stove. My cousin is actually in town. You're not going to see her on camera, but she's helping me to get some stuff put together. So I wanted to go ahead and clean while she was unboxing everything. So now that I'm done with the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and clear off the stove area, and I'm going to clean my cooktop. I cooked last night and I did not get a chance to fully clean it as detailed as I wanted to. If you guys are wondering what I'm using, it is called Ceramibrite. It comes with a liquid and also a blade. That way you can clean it. If you've been here before, you've seen me use this before. It does not scratch your stovetop if you've never used it, but it will clean it and leave it looking brand spanking new. Highly recommend it. I'll be leaving it in the description box for you. If you are interested, you can grab it. You can find it in Kroger's, Publix, Home Depot. It's really accessible. All you have to do is periodically change out the blade. That way it's not dull and it does not damage your surface. As long as your blade is sharp, you will be fine. So I'm going in and making sure I get a really good scrub in, and then I'm going to go in with my microfiber cloth and I'm going to wipe everything up. And as you can see, the microfiber cloth is really picking everything up and off the stove, which is why I like using the towels. When I'm done, I then throw it into the washer to clean it. I'm going in with my Caldrea and I'm wiping everything down. Not only am I wiping down the countertops, but I also want to wipe down the cabinets. This is probably the negative point of having white cabinets. Now that my oldest son, he's old enough to have his own little set of pots and he cooks. Don't ask me how he got pasta all the way up on the cabinets, but I'm also having to clean that. So I wanted to clean it. I am going in with a
basically dry towel that I just sprayed a tiny bit of Caldrea. I don't want it to be too wet on the cabinets, and I'm wiping everything down fully to get not only dust but any food particles that may be on the cabinets. Again, I love having the white kitchen, but the kids being in the kitchen is a whole nother story. Countertops are cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and clean just a light of the fruit and veggies that I have in my bowl. I did pick up this bowl from Home Goods. I think it's like a serving bowl, you guys. I just grabbed it and put all of my fruits and veggies in it. I love it on top of my counter. It's really easy for the kids to access it. But I'm cleaning off my island, which is massive, and I love it. I can't wait to get my bar stool so that way it can actually like be a whole situation. But nonetheless, I'm going in with another microfiber cloth and I'm going to wipe off the countertops and get everything clean. I am using Caldrea, which smells absolutely amazing. I do just drop like a little small, like a drop of bleach onto the rag also, just to kind of disinfect the surface area to make sure that it's clean. But now that I've done all of that, you guys, everything is done. I do my best to clean something every single day in my house. That way it does not build up. I know some of you asked about a cleaning schedule. I really don't have one. I just clean something every single day. So that way, like I said, things don't pile up and I get overwhelmed because then it becomes a whole situation. So my tip is, even if you're tired, if you can push through to maybe make the beds and then maybe one day do under the beds and then do the cabinets. That way you won't have so much work, but that's what I do. But I'm going to go ahead and finish wiping up the sink, cleaning everything up, putting everything where they go. And that is pretty much it for the video, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you're not already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.